Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to hide your email address on the sign-in screen in Windows 10. It's important to protect your personal information and enhance your privacy. Let's begin. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. Step 2. From the Start menu, click on the Settings icon. The Settings icon looks like a gear. Step 3. In the Settings window, you will see various options. Look for and click on the Accounts option. Step 4. Within the Accounts settings, click or tap on the Sign-in Options tab on the left side of the window. Step 5. On the right side of the window, scroll down until you find the Privacy section. Under the Privacy section, locate the Show Account Details, for example, email address on Sign-in Screen option. Step 6. To hide your email address from the sign-in screen, simply toggle the switch next to the option to the off position. Congratulations. You have successfully hidden your email address on the sign-in screen in Windows 10. By doing this, you can maintain your privacy and protect your personal information from prying eyes. Remember, it's important to keep your sensitive information secure, and Windows 10 provides these customizable options to help you achieve that. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.